Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Deck it quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stop pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watch watching them handle profits while I'm still in my sand making profit. They used to watch me move them packets. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profit. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profit. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing, dog? Hey, make profit. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profit.
That TTG money gang,
making profit.
We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you all doing on this fine Tuesday evening? What a day inside of chat. We took profits off on some swing trades from yesterday. I told you about them on the live stream. It was Nvidia, it was Tesla, 75% gain and 130% gain on the trades that we were carrying over from yesterday into today. Congratulations, my TTG fam, on yet another big time day inside of the True Trading Group chat room. What's up, everybody? My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those that don't know, TTG is the fastest growing and highest rated premium online trading educational platform that is available today. And on this live stream, we're going to be breaking down a whole laundry list of things. We got to talk about crypto. What the hell happened to the crypto market today? Binance buying a piece of FTX. There's chaos in the crypto markets today. I'm going to break down, I'm going to explain to you guys exactly what happened today and why that actually had an impact on the stock market. Yes, crypto actually had an impact on the stock market today. I'm going to explain to you exactly what happened. I'm going to answer all of your questions surrounding those topics. We're going to recap the 75% gain on an Nvidia trade. We're going to recap a 130% gain on a Tesla trade. And we're going to talk about what are we going to do this week when it comes to inflation data. Inflation data this week is going to be the determining factor whether or not this market rally that you've seen over the last couple of days does it continue, or do we head back down to those June lows? I'll tell you exactly what I think and exactly what my game plan is on how I plan on making money throughout that. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the stream. I do these 6 days a week, Sunday through Friday, right here for free on this YouTube channel where myself, other TTG Pro Trader mods, and special guests drop golden nuggets and give you free lessons and analysis that can help you guys become better traders immediately. So take a moment, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, don't ever miss these, and share this stream on your own social media. Let's reach out, let's educate, let's empower as many retail traders as we possibly can. But why should you listen to any of the analysis that I give you on these lives? Why should you listen to any of the tips and the education and the lessons? It's because I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was trained by professionals, on Wall Street. My very first job out of college, 2007, working at a hedge fund in New York City. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession, the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now I'm the head trader and co-founder of True Trading Group, the fastest growing and highest rated premium online trading educational platform that is available today. And along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and an over 20-person staff, we've helped thousands of traders from all over the world, from all walks of life, to learn, to trade, and profit consistently. You see, we take university level trading and investing courses, and we combine them with premium stock market tools, workshops, and mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, futures, for all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading, and also, yes, long-term investing. You see, we take that university level of education and we pair it with $5,000 worth of today's premium stock market tools that if you went to these companies directly on your own, it's going to cost you about $5,000 for the year. Don't spend that. We spend years building relationships with these companies so we can put their products on the TTG platform at no additional cost to you, so you guys do not have to pay for it. Of course, you're going to get access to the TTG fam, 10,000 of the most educated, supportive, helpful community of traders that you were ever going to find. And then you're going to get all the trade alerts. Every single real-time trade alert, no delay, real-time trade alerts from myself and the 9 other professional traders at TTG that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% now going on the last 2 years. So again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, turn on your notifications, and get ready to learn something. Get ready to take some notes. Get ready to learn and understand how much opportunity is actually out there in this market on a daily basis, and more importantly, how you could begin taking advantage of it. Okay, guys, this is going to be the most important next couple of days that you've seen in the market so far this year. The market is set up right now for the backbone of a Santa Claus rally. It is getting set up for it. You've already recovered most of the sell-off that you experienced back during the Fed announcement from last week. You had a huge sell-off on the Fed announcement last week. Basically today, you went right back up into the area that you were at prior to the Fed announcement, and it's almost as if the Fed meeting never happened. And there was a very hawkish speech from Mr. Jerome Powell, even though you had a dovish statement that was released at 2 o'clock. You had a hawkish statement from Mr. Jerome Powell, but the markets have done a good job of absorbing that. They've absorbed that. They've absorbed higher yields, the 2-year making new fresh cycle highs. You've absorbed a lot of that information and a lot of that data, and the markets have still actually moved to the upside over the last 3 trading days. That is significant price action. The markets are preparing for the possibility of a lighter than expected CPI data for the month of October. And you're going to get that CPI data in 2 days. You're going to get your CPI number 8:30 a.m. Eastern on Thursday, November 10th. So you better make sure that you are ready for it. I'm going to be inside a chat with my TTG fam at 8:30. Even before that, we open up at 7:30 a.m. Eastern each and every single day, where the mods and I are in there with you, going over our game plan. What are we looking at? How we plan on trading these things? And I'm going to be with my members the second that number comes out. And I'm going to tell you guys what I think that this market's going to do and how we're going to position ourselves for that. Okay. It's important that you understand the different ETFs that you can trade, because if you're an options trader, you're not going to be able to do anything at 8:30 in the morning when that number comes out. So you better understand the different ETFs that you can look to trade, okay, or individual stocks that you can look to trade when that number comes out at 8:30. And it's going to be the telltale sign of whether or not we're going to get the Santa Claus rally that I told you about 3 months ago, that I told you that I thought this market would be set up for a Santa Claus rally into the end of the year, because I thought that inflation would have started to come down. So far, it has not come down. I thought it was going to come down last month. It did not. Okay. It is still just sitting up there in the 8s. If you get a significant inflation number that is a number that is significantly under the expectations, you're set up for that Santa Claus rally. You are. But if you don't, if the number is higher than it was the month before, it's the rug pull that all the bears are looking for. And you're right back into your bear market territory, and you're right back into your bear market action that you've been seeing so far all throughout 2022. And this rally that you saw in October and this little bounce that you've seen the last 3 days is, again, nothing more than just another bear market rally. We've had many of them. We had about 5 or 6 very definitive bear market rallies so far this year, and that just becomes another one. But this market environment you find yourselves in today, this type of volatility, and I keep saying this over and over and over again on these live streams, I'm going to keep saying it till I'm blue in the face. If it wasn't for the volatility that you're seeing in the market, you guys would be bored. We're ripping out double and triple digit gains almost on a daily basis here inside of True Trading Group. Another situation here today, another triple digit gain, 130% gain on Tesla put options from yesterday to today. We're not scalpers. You're not going to get in and out within seconds. This is from yesterday, get into position, get out of the position today. That's coming after you got 2, not 1, but 2 triple digit day trades on Friday, calls and puts actually in 2 different names. This is the type of environment that you find yourselves in. And this is the type of money-making opportunities that you are continuing to just let pass you by, because you're sitting on the sidelines because everybody on social media keeps telling you that the world is going to end. Well, guess what? The world is not going to end. Everyone's telling you that we're going to be having a recession. Is that possible? Yeah, it is possible. Is it maybe even likely at this point? Listen, I believe you're going to get a recession next year. I do. I just don't think it's going to be a very severe one. I think it's going to be a mild recession, a regular run-of-the-mill recession. The problem is when you say the R word, everybody freaks out because all they remember is 2008 and 2009, which was the worst recession that we've ever had. That's why it's called the Great Recession, where unemployment skyrockets to 9.5%, 10%. You're not going to get that here. Unemployment is still at a 5-decade low, and everybody is telling you that this recession is coming. Life shows up a lot. Right? Life shows up a lot in your world, and it's unexpected. Most of the time, it just knocks you on your ass. But if you are able to walk through it and get yourself back up, you grow from it. Nobody expected a global pandemic last year. Nobody warned you. But from one night to the next, from literally day to day, you lost your job. Your business had to close. You lost your income. You had 0 time to prepare. 2008's recession, that also came as a complete shock. The markets went from all-time highs to down 38% in 2008. Like that. The crash did not begin in the beginning of 2008. It really didn't happen until the end. And you saw this year so far, we've been selling off all year. This isn't a surprise that the markets are down or your 401k is down. It's not a surprise that, we might have a recession. You have ample time and ample warning to do something about it by taking control into your own hands. Take control of your own financial situation rather than wait for somebody else to come and help you. Because I got news for you. Nobody is coming to help you. Things are going to get harder before they get easier, but you have a heads up. You have a warning. People have the ability right now to invest in themselves and to get educated, to position yourselves to stand on your own 2 feet. Okay? You've never had a situation before where you knew for a fact that life was going to attempt to throw you a curveball months in advance. That's never happened to you before. But you have the chance to learn a skill, get a real education, get access to real tools that are needed, that get access to the community that you guys deserve. You have a chance to capitalize on real opportunities in the stock market right now. This volatility that we're experiencing, it's the most volatile market I've ever seen in my entire life. I've been telling you that all year. More times this year, the S&P has gone up or down more than 2% than any other time in history. That's the definition of volatility. That volatility creates tremendous trading opportunities for traders like you and I. And that is exactly what we have been able to do and capitalize on a daily basis. Like today, 75% gain on NVIDIA call options from yesterday, 130% gain on Tesla put options from yesterday. If you caught my live stream yesterday, then you would have known that these are the positions that we are in. This is the moves that we were expecting to see. And we saw that exactly today. Better yet, if you caught my live stream from Friday, if you caught my live stream from Friday, you would know that these are the trades that we were looking to put on. You would know that NVIDIA long through 142, look for that move up to 150. We talked about it on Friday. This is why it's important for you guys to follow these live streams. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, turn on your notifications. Every day that you miss these live streams is a day that you're going to miss a trade idea, market commentary and analysis, lessons and education that can help you guys make money. And every day that you are not inside of the True Trading Group chat room, listening to myself and 9 other professional traders and partaking in the platform and in the opportunities that are in this market with the rest of the 10,000 TTG families, is a day that you are letting money-making opportunities pass you by. If you don't have to, you can't be in front of your computer, don't worry about it. We have a mobile app. The mobile app will let you be inside of our chat room, see the screen share, listen to the audio, and get real-time push notifications whenever one of our mods enters or exits a trade. We do a lot of the heavy lifting for you guys. We tell you what we're going to do before we actually do it. It's one of the main advantages of being inside of True Trading Group is you're going to know what the professional trading mods are going to do before they do it, because we tell you that. We tell you ahead of time what we're going to be doing. And then you can just sit there with your busy schedule at work and you get a notification on your phone. He says, Mike just entered NVIDIA long. He was looking at these call options. I'm going to go open up my account, buy those call options, and go back along your merry way. Go back throughout whatever it is that you're doing at work. And then don't worry, you're going to get more notifications when I'm selling the position. Today, notification, bang, taking profits off on NVIDIA. We do a lot of that heavy lifting for you, but these are the opportunities that are out there. But you need to actually take control of your own life and your own situation. Bottom line is, folks, in this environment right now, when people are complaining about their 401ks being down, everybody's worried about what's going to happen, about a recession happening. TTG members don't give a damn. I'll tell you that right now. TTG members can care less about what's going to happen because flat out, they're making money and they're becoming better traders in this environment where the markets are down. Don't believe me? Don't take my word for it. You shouldn't take my word for it, honestly. But let's actually ask members of True Trading Group, a very simple question for you. Are you making money becoming better traders because of TTG? If the answer is yes, type the $. Just type the $. If you guys are making money, you're becoming better traders. Now, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, my advice to you is to just pay attention to this side of the screen and see how many people are going to be typing the $. These are members of True Trading Group that found TTG the exact same way that you all did, and that is right here in one of these live streams. They learned more in one of these live streams, even able to make money from these live streams, the analysis and lessons that I give you guys here for free. These people started out the exact same way that you did. They're not smarter than you. They don't have more experience than you. Yet here they are telling you that they're making money this year. How can that possibly be when you open up your long-term portfolio and you see that you're down 30%? How could this be? There must be some type of trick. These must all be bots. They are not bots. They are real people. You have 10,000 members all over the world of all experience levels and from all walks of life and from all financial situations. These people, most of them do have full-time jobs. I'll prove that to you as well. Guys, if you're making money while working a full-time job, do me a favor and type the number 1 and tell me what you do for a living. So again, now, if you're making money while working a full-time job, type the number 1 and tell me what you do for a living. Very common misconception that people have, that they think that they can't do this if they work a full-time job. Pay attention, read some of the comments, see if maybe you see someone that has the same profession that you have. But I'm going to ask members of True Trading Group now to tell me, if you are working a full-time job, what do you do for a living? Neurosurgery, fireman, film business, teacher, block layer construction, a cook, martial arts instructor, aerospace defense manufacturer, commodities, senior leader for a global company, IT manager, supervisor, I own a cleaning service. I don't need to keep reading all these comments. You guys can see all this for yourselves. You can see all this for yourselves. Okay? But everybody's worried about recession next year. Everybody's worried about recession. Everybody's worried about, oh, well, what if I lose my job in a recession? Well, a lot of people worry, can I make money doing this? Can I make money while working a full-time job? You guys are seeing right now, undoubtedly, yes. And for those of you that are worried about maybe job security and wondering, will you ever be able to supplement your income by trading? Is it easy? No, it's not easy. Nothing's ever easy. But is it possible? You bet your ass it's possible. Members of TTG, type the number 2 if you're a full-time trader. Type the number 2 if you have transitioned to a full-time trader. Type the number 2 inside of chat right now. Now, anyone that's worried about maybe what's going to be happening next year, that's worrying, would I be able to maybe make enough money to do this full time? Just pay attention to the comments that come through on the side of the screen, because these are going to be members of TTG that now transitioned to trade full time. Is it going to happen overnight? No. Are you just going to start trading, join True Trading Group and make $1 million? No. But is it possible for you guys to trade full time? Ask these people. Ask these people if it's possible. But you've got to have access to the right education, the right tools, and be part of a community that's going to empower you and help support you and lift you guys up. Okay. So there you guys have it. Guys, this is going to be a really important live stream, right? I want to recap for you guys the trades that we were able to capitalize on. Okay. And I want to go over with you what we're going to be expecting out of the CPI numbers this week and how we're going to plan on trading them and make money from it, and what happened with crypto today. What happened with Binance and FTX? What happened with Bitcoin? Ethereum was down like 18%. What happened? Bitcoin was down $3,000. What happened? Okay. So I'm going to go over all of that stuff with you guys here today, but I'd first like to open the floor. I want to do a blanket Q&A session. So a lot of people have a lot of questions lately. I want to let you guys ask me questions. So go ahead right now. If there's any questions you guys have, listen, there's no such thing as a stupid question. Asking questions is how you learn, right? That's why you guys are here. There's no such thing as a stupid question. There's no such thing as a silly question. Okay. So I want you guys right now, if you have any questions at all about anything, fire away right now, type your questions in chat, and let's go ahead and let's begin a nice quick Q&A. Yes, Disney did just come out with earnings. So Disney just came out with earnings and the stock just dropped. It's down about 7%. There's a massive support level down in the low 90s on Disney. And I'd actually see if there's maybe an opportunity for Disney to bounce out of these low 90s. If we are still above $91 tomorrow morning, you might get a little bit of a bounce on Disney. That's a major level of support for that stock. I'll go to... we'll go out to a bigger screen so you guys can just see this level more clearly. And I'll draw this line across my screen real nice and bold so everybody can see it. And you guys can see clear as clear can be. You can see the support level down here in the low 90s. So we just dropped ourselves right down into that zone. We're still well above it, $94. You still got about $3, $4 worth of a support cushion underneath you. And as long as the stock stays above that level, I think you might get a bounce off of it. But you got to wait and see what happens once you get into their conference call and what the CEO and CFO have to say about their earnings. If they give any type of a guidance warning or something like that, then that could take the stock underneath 90. And if it gets underneath 90, you don't really have any other support levels until you get to your COVID low. And you'll have a little bit of support like 87, but then your COVID low is 80. And I would expect Disney to drift into the mid to low 80s if it breaks under 90. But 90 is a big level of support. We'll see if it stays above that by the time you get to tomorrow morning. Next question. Don't be shy, folks. I'm literally telling you, ask me anything, whatever's on your mind. If you start with only one contract due to budget, you can't really take profits from that, right? Unless you just sell it. Sorry if that's confusing. Nope, it's not confusing at all, Mark. Mark, what you're asking is the tier trading strategy that I teach. So tier trading is something that as a member True Trading Group, you're going to learn. And I'm talking to anybody, not just Mark. I'm talking to anybody. You guys will learn how to trade in tiers once you become a member of True Trading Group. The tier trading strategies is a trading method that I learned that I was working at the fund, and I've made little tweaks to it so that it relates to my own individual retail trading. You'll learn how to trade in tiers, okay? It's so important that there's an entire section of our curriculum, there's an entire course dedicated to the tier trading method. And I promise you, once you learn to trade in tiers, you will never trade any other way ever again. Even if you think I'm a horrific trader and you can care less, I promise you, you'll never trade any other way. My TTG fam, you guys can maybe just comment a little bit if tier trading helped, learning the tier trading method, if that helped you guys in your trading and helped you become profitable and help you make more money and help you get better. You guys can maybe comment and say something in chat about the tier trading method. But that's what Mark is referring to. But Mark, your question, if you only have one option contract, then you can't sell in tiers. You can't sell in pieces. You can't sell half of one contract. So what I recommend to people, if you only have one contract, okay, if you only have one contract, then I would recommend selling it at profit target number 2. Now, if you are looking at, if you don't understand what profit target number 2 is, again, another thing you'll learn as a member of True Trading Group. We'll teach you guys how to identify profit targets. Okay, when you're long a stock, a profit target is basically just an area of resistance. When you're short a stock, a profit target is an area of support. And I'll teach you guys how to identify all those supply and demand zones, support and resistance levels, so that you can properly identify where you should be taking profit off on your positions. So I'll teach you how to do that. So if you only have one contract, I would say profit target number 2, that's when that contract comes off the table. Don't take it off of profit target 1. Don't take it off of profit target 3. Profit target 2, it comes off the table. All right. I would also suggest, depending on the option that you're trading, Mark, if you are looking at an option that let's say is $6, and let's say, because one contract would cost you $600, if the option is $6, okay, so it's going to cost you $600 to buy one option contract that's at $6. All right. I would look for a way to get a cheaper contract by selecting a strike price that is a little further away than what you're looking at. Let's say, for example, it's a $100 stock. You think the stock is going to go to 106. Okay. Instead of buying a 102 contract, a 102 call option, which might be $6 a contract, if you were to buy a 104 or 105 strike contract, instead of it being $5 or $6, it might be $3 or $4. And it'll be a little bit cheaper of a contract. So instead of you being able to buy one contract at $6, you can buy 2 contracts at $3, and then you can take a piece of your position off at profit target 1, and then a piece of your position off at profit target number 2. And that would be my piece of advice for you, Mark. I hope that helps answer your question. Guys, listen up. Hitting the like button literally costs you nothing. It takes less than 3 seconds, and it helps us out a lot. So go ahead, please do so, guys, right now. Smash that like button. Show us some love right now before I continue. Yep, Mark, it's my pleasure. Fire away. Thank you, guys. Also, if you find this live stream useful, if you find my live streams useful, go ahead and share this stream on your own social media. Tweet it out, post it on Facebook, share it. Share the stream. You know, I tell you what, if we get 200 shares, maybe I'll do a $1,000 giveaway right here on this live stream. If we get 200 shares, I'll do a $1,000 giveaway on the live. Everybody loves giveaways. Everyone's like, share, 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 share. The holidays are coming up. You guys got gifts to buy people. How thorough is the education in TTG? There's so much in the financial markets I don't understand. Will I be confident upon finishing these quizzes? Faraz, I'll tell you this. First, I'll say something, then I'll ask members. Faraz, the education, the courses that you get at your trading group are a simplified version of what the 3-month educational training program that I went through when I worked at a hedge fund in New York. It was my first job out of college. I didn't know anything about trading when I first got hired there. So they literally taught me from scratch. But then we have 9 other professional traders that are part of TTG as well. And they've all added and expanded upon that educational curriculum as well. So when you join True Trading Group, you're not getting like this quick little short version of like little cliff notes. Like you're going to get a full-blown education, the same type of stuff and same type of curriculum that I had access to and that I received when I was working at a fund in New York. And I'll just let members of True Trading Group, Faraz would like to know, is our education thorough and will he be confident upon finishing our curriculum? You guys can comment inside of chat right now. Faraz, my advice to you is to just listen and read what some of the members are going to say because they're your peers. Now, I might say it's thorough or I might say you'll be confident, but what about the people that are learning this from scratch? I've been doing this for about 17 years. So listen to what they have to say and read some of the comments that are coming through chat. And you know what, Joe, maybe you can also post the syllabus inside of our chat or inside of the YouTube chat. You can post the syllabus so that Faraz and anybody else that's interested in our curriculum can actually see everything you're going to learn. You get 18 of our courses. It's our entire curriculum, Faraz. There's no upsells. There's no VIP courses that cost more money. You join an annual membership that you're trading. If you get access to every single course we have, it's our entire 18-course curriculum. Every course has multiple chapters, and every chapter has multiple lessons. And you can just read some of the comments that are coming through chat right now. Yes, sir. Yes, for sure. Absolutely. 100%. Absolutely. Yes. 1000%. World-class level education. It's worth every penny. It changed my trading 100%. The education is very good. If you're having problems, they go out of their way to help you. The TTG education will absolutely give you confidence. I love it. I'm still going through the courses and I've learned so much already. 100%. 100%. Okay, you guys can just see some of the comments. Faraz, you can see some of the comments that people are saying. I don't need to keep reading them all, but whenever people have questions about that kind of stuff, like, hey, are people making money? Hey, am I going to learn something? Am I going to be confident? Don't ask me. What am I going to say? No. I'm the AA. Everyone's losing money. Our curriculum sucks. True Trading Group's the worst platform out there. Don't sign up. Of course, I'm not going to say that. So when I answer questions like that, I understand it doesn't mean much to people that are not part of the TTG community. Now, my word may not mean anything to you now, but I promise you that as soon as you join True Trading Group, you'll realize that my word means everything inside of True Trading Group. And that goes for everybody. That's Adam and I, my business partner and co-founder of the True Trading Group. That's our moderators. That is our members. That is the environment that we've created. When I say welcome to the family, and I say when you join True Trading, you're joining a community of 10,000 members from all over the world that genuinely give a damn whether you succeed or fail. I mean it. And you'll realize that as soon as you join. But until then, I think it's best for members that are your peers, that are starting out just like you, that have the same hurdles as you, the same questions as you, the same skepticism as you. I think it's important for them to answer those questions for you, and I hope that helps. Can I focus on options only, or do I have complete the whole course? Frank, you could listen. You could focus on options if you want, but I would recommend you go through all of the courses. You can't trade options without learning how to trade stocks first. You still got to learn everything that there is about trading stocks. You've got to be able to determine whether or not a stock's going to go up or down before you can figure out what option contract it is that you want to buy and how to put yourself in those positions. So you can focus on options. We have moderators in True Trading Group, professional traders in TTG that only focus on options. And then we have other moderators that focus on stocks, and we have moderators that focus on both. Okay, we also do crypto and futures as well. There's myself and 9 other professional traders. We all have different styles. We all focus on different things. So there's literally something for everybody in True Trading Group. Like Chris Toner, for example. Chris Toner has been trading options for 20 years. He's one of our professional trading moderators that actually focuses specifically on options. So you could do options only if you want, but I would highly recommend that you go through all of the courses, my man. They're there for a reason. Trust me. So go ahead, guys, keep firing those questions. I think it's great for you guys to be able to ask me some questions, whatever's on your mind. take advantage of this. You got a trader with 17 years of experience on you. Ask me anything. Anything at all. Go ahead. Do not be shy. Tesla going to go back up. Yeah, eventually. Listen, this is a big support level for Tesla. These low 80s, a big support level for Tesla. I got flat my short today. I've been short Tesla. I got flat today. Okay. I covered my Tesla short today. Members were able to get 130% gain on put options. Okay. So I've been short Tesla. I covered that position today. I'm completely flat because this is a major level of support. You might get a bounce off this area. And you guys can see here, if you look back to the left, you'll see support, support, support right at this 182 level. And we got down towards that area today. Low of the day today was 186.75. So you're getting into that level of support. And then underneath that, you have a zone of support that would take you all the way down to like 155. So this entire area in Tesla, this whole area right here, I think is a nice little level for people that are looking for maybe that do not own Tesla and they want to own it in their long-term portfolio. I feel like this is a good zone to be buying some in the long-term portfolio. I myself will probably be buying some Tesla. I already own Tesla from a long time ago, but I'm going to be adding to it somewhere inside of this region that you guys see inside of this little square, this little green box that I just drew for you. So it'll go back up, but I would not expect Tesla to be, one of the market leaders, as I would not expect Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet. The stocks that led this market over the last several years are not going to be the same stocks that are going to lead this market next year. How much do you make yearly trading? Pure Quality Studios. Let me tell you this, okay? There's a very specific reason. We used to come on these live streams and I used to show my P&L. There's a very specific reason why we no longer show P&L on these live streams. Now you can go to our website and you can see for yourself every single trade transaction that not just myself, but the rest of the moderators in True Trading Group, you can see every single transaction that we make literally uploaded right from our trading accounts. Every buy, every sell, every transaction. It's right there for you guys to see all the winners and all of the losers. How much money that I make trading means absolutely nothing to you because I don't pay your bills. I can tell you right now, I made $2 million last year. If I tell you that, what does that mean for you? What does that mean for you? I'm not going to pay your bills. And just because I'm able to make money trading does not mean that you're going to be able to replicate that. It is extremely misleading when people come on, they're like, oh, look, I made $20,000 today. And people come on, they're like, oh, well, just follow my live stream or join my Discord and I'll show you how to make $20,000 in a day. That's extremely misleading. And it's not realistic. I've been doing this for 17 years. I have a large account. I'm here all day long. This is what I do. So I'm not going to come on here and try to convince you and use my P&L as a sales tactic. What I will do is tell you, this is what I'm going to be buying. This is what I'm going to be selling. This is why I'm buying. This is why I'm selling. This is what I think the markets are going to do. This is what I think these individual stocks are going to do. And I want you to understand the reasons why I do what I do. Now, members in True Trading Group, they know, because members in True Trading Group will know my position size. Okay, members, they know what my risk is. When we get into positions, they know where my stop loss is, and they can calculate, okay, that's how much Mike is making or losing on a trade. Okay, but I don't come on these live streams and blast my P&L out there for people to be like, oh, that's why I should join True Trading Group. Don't join True Trading Group because of that. Join True Trading Group because you come on these live streams and you understand the reasonings why myself and the professional traders at TTG do the things that we do. I don't want you to come on here and be like, oh, well, if that guy made 20 grand in one day, then I can make 20 grand in one day, because that's not true. And people will look at that and say, well, oh, this guy's not for me. I can't learn from this guy because he trades with a large account. That's also not true. So you're going to get people that are going to just look at a P&L and just get googly-eyed over the money. As soon as you make trading about the money, you failed, because that's when your emotions come into play. Make trading about the setup. Understand what a grade A setup and a grade B setup and a grade C setup look like. Grade A setups, you have a 70 to 75% probability of a stock moving in one direction. A B setup is about 60 to 65%. A C setup is a 50-50 coin flip. Obviously, avoid the 50-50 coin flips. But I'll teach you guys what's the difference between a C, B, or A setup. So when I come on these live streams, I talk to you about percentage. Because whether you have $100 in a position or $100,000 in a position or $1 million in a position, it's all relative. It's all relative to your own risk, right? It's all relative to your own risk. So what difference does it make if I say, oh, I made 10 grand today, but I had a $1 million position size? Big deal. It's all about you. It's all about your P&L. That's why we base our double your money back guarantee on, not my P&L. Our double your money back guarantee is on your P&L. People that join True Trading Group, if you can't make back your membership fee, your P&L, if you can't make back your membership fee after going through our courses, passing our quizzes, and attending a study group, we give you double your money back. That's why it's not based on my win rate. It's based on your ability to make money. Because just because myself and the other moderators are making money, if we don't teach you well enough, and if we don't enter trades that are easily able to be followed, you're not going to make money. Just because somebody else is making money doesn't automatically equate to you making money. It is our job and our responsibility at True Trading Group to help you make money. That's why you're here. You're not here to watch other people make money. That's our job. That's our responsibility. TTG is a business. We're not a charity. I'm not saying, hey, come join my Discord and everybody watch me trade. Okay, we're a business. There's over 25 employees at True Trading Group. You want us to be a business because you want us to be able to be held accountable to the services that you expect from us. And we take that very, very seriously. I hope that helps answer your question. I'm taking an open Q&A. I'm taking an open Q&A right now. So if you guys have any questions about anything particular, you guys go ahead and fire away and ask me whatever's on your mind. It could be about an individual stock. It could be about the markets. You guys can fire away. It could be about me, anything.
You know, ain't nobody care about you.
The person that just asked the last question certainly cared about me.
No, you cared about how much you made, because I don't blame people for asking that question. I thought you answered it perfectly.
No, I don't blame. Listen, I don't blame anybody.
No, because so I see a lot of people asking, especially Jacob and others asking, hey, what about FTX? What about FTX? What about crypto? Everything cool. Faraz Khan just signed up.
Oh, that's awesome. Fantastic.
It's not awesome.
Welcome to the
It's
family.
not, I mean, it is awesome, but it's not awesome because he paid full price because we didn't get into the sales part yet. So it is pretty incredible that he just was like, yo, screw this. I'm going to sign up right now and pay this amount. But Faraz, if you're on here, we are going to be refunding you the difference. So
yeah, Faraz, we're actually launching. We actually launched our Black Friday sale
literally
today.
right now.
Right now, Faraz, we're launching the Black. Faraz, don't worry about it. He goes, no, Faraz, don't worry about it. We're going to refund you. You just paid full price. We're not going to. We're literally in 1 minute. I'm about to tell you that the Black Friday sale, and I'm not going to do that to you. That's not right. So we're going to refund you the difference, Faraz, and we're going to give you obviously the sale price.
Elena is refunding. Elena is our head of customer service. She's refunding you the $990 right now.
Awesome.
Also, why don't we hit on that real quick? Just the Black Friday sale.
Yeah. Let me do that. Well, everybody, welcome Faraz, newest member of the group. So Faraz, we're going to get you the difference. We're going to refund you the difference, but welcome to the group. So here's the deal, folks. For today. We have officially started and launched our Black Friday sale. Okay. Adam, how many, what do we have? How many do we have?
Hang on a second, please.
I'm hanging. Don't leave me hanging too long.
I made a poopy.
What did you do? Come on. Don't tell me.
Hang on a second.
You're killing me, Smalls.
No, I'm almost done. Puppy.
Oh, puppy.
All right.
Go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No. We should be good now. All right. And Faraz, you have been refunded officially. So you should get an email notification that you've been refunded.
Awesome.
All right. So we're kicking off the Black Friday sale. Oh, you're very welcome, Faraz. Everyone's going to think that you're fake. Just so
what?
Everyone's going to think that Faraz is fake. Huh?
Why would you think he's fake?
Because it seems
Conwall.
like, he signed up.
Wait, we have a question from Conwall. Conwall says, I was in and out. Do you guys provide all of the tools? Conwall, we have $5,000 to $6,000 worth of tools on our platform that are included with your membership. You don't have to pay for them. So our Black Friday sale right now, you can get a membership to True Trading Group for a 54% discount. It's $1,000, and normally it's $2,212. But included for the $1,000 is $5,000 to $6,000.
Oh, okay. I'm finalizing a number on the other thing, so I thought you were going to say something else.
Oh, included in the $1,000 is about $5,000 to $6,000 worth of tools from like newsfeed from Benzinga, full book level 2. Advanced charting softwares, dark pool data, unusual options activity, trading journals, scanners from trade ideas, analyst reports. All of that is included in your $1,000. So you get access to every single tool that you need on our platform at no additional cost. There's no upsells for that stuff. You do not have to pay extra for it. It is all included. So if you pay right now for Benzinga, Quote Media, Trade Ideas, TradingView, if you pay for any of that right now, then you are already paying almost your entire membership to TTG, and all those things are included with your membership.
Yep. And somebody says, I'm in Canada. Will these work from here?
Yes.
Absolutely they will, eh?
We have members all over the world. We literally have members in India, Russia, the Philippines. We have members in Thailand, in Australia, New Zealand, Brazil, Mexico, Canada, the UK, Italy, the Netherlands. We have members all over the world, guys. There's 10,000 members in True Trading Group.
More than that. All right. So we have 9 left. So guys, here's what I was able to do. Your boy, that would be me in case you guys were confused.
Can I just answer one question from Johnny Hernandez? Yeah, let me answer one question because I know Johnny Hernandez is going to be joining, and he was on the live stream last night. Johnny Hernandez, I just caught your question. He goes, the courses, where do you start as a newbie day one? Where would I start? Do you read, study to get some type of knowledge? I'm a newbie, 100%. What I've been doing has not worked. Johnny Hernandez, my advice to you, as soon as you join True Trading Group, do not think about trading with real money. I want you to spend your time and go through the courses that are on the platform. Start with the TTG 101 course, which literally shows you the entire platform and gets you started so you know how to navigate our entire platform and how to use everything that's available to you. And then go through the courses. Start with obviously the foundation courses before you move on to the advanced courses and the trader psychology and the option courses. But start with the foundation courses first and just go through the natural progression of the courses and of the curriculum. Don't skip anything. And then as you are going through the courses, you can start using the simulator. We have a simulator on the platform it's free. Obviously, you don't pay for it. Will let you trade stocks and options with fake money so you can practice implementing what you are learning. Join some of the study groups and the workshops that we hold every day inside of True Trading Group and really go through and that process before you start trading with real money. Prove that you can make money on the simulator first. Try to maintain at least an over 50% win rate on the simulator before you start trading with real money. Then if you have any problems along the way, you're stuck up on something doesn't make sense to you, you're unsure about it, you reach out to somebody in TTG, reach out in chat, send us an email to info@truetradinggroup.com. If you need help, you have questions, and somebody will help you and give you the help that you need. So Johnny, I hope that helps.
There's literally a fire truck in the background here, which is kind of crazy. But
all
right. So you want to see something cool?
Yes. And then we got to get into this FTX Binance situation. A lot of people asking questions about it. I want to get into that.
I got us some laptops.
How many did you get us?
I got us 10.
And Faraz took one.
Faraz took one, so now there's 9. But here's something very cool that I'm able to show you guys. So the laptop has a retail value of $395.
$395
is the retail value of the laptop.
Awesome. Wow.
So when you get it, you can resell it all day if you want. And everyone's always asking, like, what is it? Oh, Faraz does get a laptop.
Yeah, Faraz, you do. We had 10. Now it's 9.
So this is an email from one of our wholesalers. They have 4,000 of these available. They're not going to sell me 4,000 of them. But I'm not buying 4,000 of them. But these are the 10 that I have. I have 10 of these this evening. These are, they're not Chromebooks. They come with Windows 11, and they come with Microsoft 365 included. They're Bluetooth enabled. They're a Lenovo IdeaPad 14-inch, 4 gigs of RAM, Wi-Fi, HDMI ports, everything. Really cool.
That's badass. I mean, guys, that's perfect for, it's the holidays. Listen, this could be perfect for a gift for somebody, or use it for yourself to trade with, use it for work, give it to your kid for school, sell it on eBay. Who cares? It's $395. Put it that way and put that money back into your pocket. Do whatever you want with it. But it's part of the Black Friday sale that we're running here now. So you guys will get.
Yeah. So the reason that I was able to get the 10 is I was like, yo, give me a discount on 10 of them. Let me see how people like them. And if they like them, I'll buy more. So this is a new wholesaler that we're working with.
Very cool. Always trying to do the best we can for you guys. Always trying to get you guys the best deals. Just saving you guys money all around. Giving you a free laptop.
I only have 10. So the second that this is
now you have
done,
9. Now we have 9.
Right. I only have 9. So the second that this is done, I am going, there will be no laptop, but you will get a 30-minute one-on-one with any one of the mods that you want.
After we run out of the laptops.
After we run out of laptops. So the price will stay the same until midnight tonight.
Got it. So yeah, guys, so that's the Black Friday sale. Okay. So it's $1,000 for the whole year, and you guys get that laptop. There's only 9 of those laptops available. So I would go to ttgoffer.com right now. Open up a new web browser. Literally, ttgoffer.com. Enter the coupon code, TTG121. Click apply code. The price will flash green. It'll drop to $1,000. As long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know that you're going to be getting one. All right, there's 9 of them left. All right, that Lenovo IdeaPad, it's right there in your checkout cart. You see it. That's how you know you're getting one. Where'd you go, Adam? Why are you making weird faces? Oh, because you're eating chips. Well, all right, so just go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121. You're going to get access to the entire platform, right? We're the Netflix of trading communities. $1,000 gives you access to everything. The entire 18-course curriculum, the Benzinga Pro real-time news feed. That Benzinga Pro, if you went to Benzinga directly on your own, you're going to spend over $1,000 for that. It's part of your membership when you join for the $1,000. This is the value of this platform. You get Quote Media's full book level 2. You get TradingView's premium charting software, ET&A's simulator, the Trade Ideas scanner, our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans, dark pool data, unusual options activity, a social sentiment scanner, analyst ratings, insider buying and insider selling data, short data, our chat room, where the mods share their screen, talk to you on the mic, are with you all day, every day, give you real-time push notifications when we enter and exit trades. The mobile app, which lets you see the screen share, listen to the audio analysis, and get the real-time push notifications on your phone when the moderators are entering and exiting the trade. All of this is included for the $1,000. It's our Black Friday sale. I would not wait another moment. There's only 9. No, now there's 8 laptops, guys. There's only 8 of those laptops left. Retail value on the laptop is $395. Do the math. It's $1,000 for the entire membership, and you get the laptop as long as you're one of the next 8 people. You got to go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121, click apply code. You do not have to enter your address to get the laptop. After you join, you will get a welcome email with instructions how to claim the free laptop. You don't have to enter your address. Okay? If anybody has any questions about this membership at all, or the coupon code's not working, or if you're a current trial, or previous annual member, and you want this deal, we must whitelist your email address. So send a text message to 786-505-4049. Again, send a text, don't call. Send a text to 786-505-4049. Right down there at the bottom of your screen is that phone number. If you have any questions, send a text message right there, right now. Go to a new web browser, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, click apply code. The price will drop to $1,000. That's 54% off. And the good thing about that is when you join True Trading Group, the price you pay is a price that you're going to pay for life. So when your membership comes up to renew next year, it doesn't matter if our membership is $2,500. You're only going to pay the $1,000 to renew, which is crazy. And that's important because 78% of our members renew their membership or have upgraded to become lifetime members. So I'm pretty confident that you're going to want to do the same. So that's why that's an important stat. We got to welcome Sohail. Sohail, welcome. There's now just 7 of those laptops remaining. That's it, guys. Just 7. 7. That's it. These are going to fly. $395 value on that Lenovo laptop. Give it to someone as a gift for the holidays. Give it to your kid for school. Use it for work. Use it to trade with. Sell it on eBay. I don't care what you do with it. But there's 7 of them available for the next 7 people that join True Trading Group. As long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. Go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Barry Fisher is the Barry that just joined earlier. Barry, I welcome you to the TTG family, Barry Fisher. All right, guys. So I would head on over to the web browser now. Would not even wait. These laptops are going to fly. And if you have any questions, 786-505-4049. All right, folks. All right, what I want to do now, I want to move on now and talk about this FTX situation. All right, because you had some craziness happen in the markets today. All right, you had the markets completely sell off today because of issues that happened in the world of crypto. And this was a computer-generated sell-off in the market today. And I want to explain to people what happened in the land of crypto. A lot of people may not truly understand what this FTX Binance situation is, how it started, what actually happened, where we go from here. Why did things sell off when this news started to break? What happened? I'm going to explain to you guys what had happened and what transpired today between FTX and Binance. Okay, so we have a lot of people asking this question, so that's what I want to talk about here now. All right. FTX, there were rumors circulating for a little while that FTX had liquidity issues. And essentially what FTX has done was when FTX created their own coin, FTT, which is an altcoin, okay, FTT, they used the coin as leverage to take out a bunch of loans. So they essentially just went to the internet and just started to collect fake internet money because they were like, oh, we're going to create this FTT coin, and then we're going to use that to take out a bunch of loans. That's like if I just said to myself, you know what, I'm just going to create like this like little stack of rubber bands. I'm going to use that as leverage to go and buy a house. But that's what was done. They created FTT coin, used it as leverage to take out a bunch of loans. Now, what they did with a lot of that money was they went and they actually bought a bunch of other coins. As some of those coins went down in value, questions start to arise about the liquidity issues that FTX may or may not have by the leverage that was used to buy a lot of those coins, and what that then means for their ability to repay back the loans or to have those loans collateralized because they were being leveraged and collateralized by FTT coin. Well, this is where things get interesting. Enter CZ, owner of Binance. Binance, which is a direct competitor to FTX, ends up buying about 500 million of FTT coin. This all started as a little tit for tat on Twitter. Sam Blankman-Fried, okay, was kind of coming at Binance CEO, CZ, okay. Okay. And is like, oh, you're not really, you're not, trying to push for crypto change and development here in the US. And you're not lobbying for crypto. And what are you doing? And he was really kind of poking the bear a little bit and kind of testing his patience and his temper. So what did the CEO of Binance do? All right.
Yo, real quick. You there?
Okay.
So I spoke to the wholesaler for the laptops. I just wanted to confirm something because the retail price seemed a little high to me when I opened that email, and it was. So there was a mistake. The laptop is worth $270 retail.
Okay.
Not $395. $270 retail, not $395. Either way, still a hell of a value.
Okay. Well, thank you for clarifying that. That's important. Thank you.
Yeah. So what it's important to me and important to Mike that we remain transparent. And that was a mistake. So I want to make sure that we get that out there.
Agreed. Thank you for that. All right, guys. So you heard it there. Still an amazing deal. You're getting it's not
it was like $100-something off. It wasn't crazy, but but still, transparency is very important to us. Integrity is very important to us.
Absolutely. So, it's everything.
Because it looked high to me for the processor that was there. And then I went on, many other websites and I sent them a screenshot back and I was like, hey, are you sure about the retail price? And they're like, oh, no, that was our mistake. So I'm like, okay, just checking because I'm on a live stream and I just announced it in front of almost 1,000 people.
Like, you're killing me here, man. You gotta give me the number. Oh, man.
Anyway, so 270, 269, 270 in that range. That's what it's worth. You're getting it for free. All right.
Awesome.
All right, cool. But
how many we got? We got 7 of them left, right? We got 7 available.
We have less than that now.
Oh, we have less than that now.
Who just signed up? What is this person's name? Sorry, one second.
You want me to keep going about FTX? Or?
Yes, please.
Okay, yeah. Let me get back to the FTX.
Go.
Okay, so So what happens is, guys, now Binance, remember, Binance owns 500 million of FTT coin, which is the coin that FTX used to get a bunch of loans that they then use the money to make other acquisitions and to buy other coins. So what the Binance CEO does goes, I'm going to test their liquidity. They start selling the FTT coin today. FTT just starts to collapse, starts to crater as Binance is selling the FTT coin that they own. We got to welcome Jack. Jack just joined. That means there's 6 of those laptops left, guys. So again, if you want one of those free laptops, go to ttgoffer.com, enter TTG121 coupon code, click apply code. That price will drop to $1,000. You get access to the entire platform at True Trading Group. I'm sorry, it's Josh, not Jack. Adam, you're killing me. It's Josh, not Jack. Josh, I'm sorry. Your mic is off.
Damn it. The thing threw me for
you're
a
just
loop,
a mess
man.
today.
Dude, it threw me for a loop today. I'm under a lot of stress now.
Josh, welcome to the family. Not Jack. Josh, welcome to the family. We have 6 of those laptops now remaining, guys. So like I said, go to that on a web browser right now and enter the coupon code TTG121. All right. So Binance starts selling FTT. That starts the cascade. Everybody else starts selling FTT, and everybody gets wind that they've used FTT coin to back a lot of the loans that are outstanding. And everybody then starts to come on. They start to short FTT as Binance is dumping it. Once word got out that Binance is dumping FTT coin, other people start shorting it. Other people start dumping it. And the thing just cratered. What does that do to all the loans? It was supposed to collateralize all those loans. Binance, FTX's direct competitor, just crushed them by causing a complete panic sell in FTT coin. Then Binance comes in and goes, well, now you really got liquidity issues. We will buy your non-US division. And that is what happened in the world of crypto today. And it started with a rift on Twitter, where that was the excuse that Binance CEO used to start dumping their FTT coin and to test the liquidity of that coin. And all of a sudden, that liquidity wasn't there. And then FTX just implodes within itself. You have solvency issues. That is a Gordon Gekko move. You want to talk about a hostile takeover? That is the most gangster thing that I've heard in a long time. Binance caused the disaster and then comes in at like the white knight and just swallows up the company. Now they're buying their non-US division. Okay, they're buying their non-US division. But that's what went down today. And basically what you saw happen was Ethereum down 18%, Bitcoin down $3,000. You saw leverage just getting forced sold. Leverage all over the place. Leverage from FTX themselves that were leveraged with these loans to buy all these coins. They had to dump out of a lot of these crypto, and that caused a cascading sell effect in all of these different areas of crypto. And when you have leverage forced sales, the markets, when that starts to happen, computers will start to react to that. And even though there may not be a direct tie to it, markets and computer risk programs will react to that and start selling because of the fear of the unknown and not knowing how far does that leverage spread and how systemic would that leverage be. So computer programs start to sell that today in the overall market and in Bitcoin and in Ethereum. All your cryptos got destroyed today while this was taking place, and it rippled into the stock market because people start selling, computers start selling, not knowing what lies ahead with the leverage concerns. Then the market stabilizes. Bitcoin stops going down. It drops under 18K, finds its footing at a major support level, bounces back. crypto stabilizes, and then the markets are able to then recover. And that's why you had such a vicious reversal today. And props to Adam. Okay. Adam is not, the trader here in True Trading Group. He runs the business side of everything, but Adam follows crypto very, very closely. He's invested in crypto and does trade crypto. And I was having a phone conversation with him. We were talking and the markets just went red. And he was like, what happened? What's going on in the markets? I told him why the markets just sold off. And Adam's first response to me was, that's an overreaction. This is an FTX specific situation. The markets are going to bounce. And sure enough, within about 20 or 30 minutes later, bang, you get this massive bounce and massive reversal back to the upside. Okay, as it was an overreaction to that, and you got that nice little reversal once the markets kind of stabilize. So we got to see, we're going to keep an eye, we're going to monitor the situation and that leverage that's out there within the land of crypto and within the situation with FTX. Does it bleed over into other companies, into other coins? We'll have to wait and see, but could it just be something specific here to FTX and this unique situation with Binance? But that is what happened today. And I wanted to make sure that people really understood what took place today. And I want to make sure that people understood why that impacted the overall stock market when it was something that was happening in crypto. You would not think from the initial glance, Binance buying a portion of FTX business, how is that going to affect the overall stock market? So a lot of people couldn't maybe put that together and couldn't really understand and couldn't really make sense of that. So I want to make sure that you guys fully understood. Okay. I want to make sure that you fully understood, okay, that entire process and what just transpired here today. Lucid is getting shellacked. Fresh new lows on the year. Lucid coming out with, I guess they had their earnings today. Let me pull that up. I just want to touch on Lucid real quick. I see a bunch of people talking about Lucid. No, I didn't even see their earnings out. No, I got to see what's going on there with Lucid. I'll see what's going on there with Lucid, guys. That stock is cratering downside. So they did have earnings. All right, let's see. Quarterly production of 2,282 vehicles. Announces companies on track for annual production guidance of 6,000 to 7,000 vehicles. Earnings per share missed. They lost 40 cents. They were expected to lose 31 cents. And sales fell short, 195 million versus 209 million expectations. So earnings misses across the board there for Lucid. Earnings miss across the board there for Lucid. Hold on here 1 second, guys. Okay, AMC also.
AMC at 530. Oh no, that's $5.39. My bad, bro.
Oh, man. Ouch. AMC's earnings actually weren't that bad. 968 million versus 961 million. They beat on sales and they beat on earnings per share. They lost 20 cents a share. They were expected to lose 24 cents a share. And they expect next year's box office to grow by 15 to 25%. I mean, that's actually not bad earnings. That's actually not bad. That's actually not bad. Yeah, Upstart, UPST. This is another earnings. This was a complete disaster. This is one of the worst earnings reports that I've seen so far this quarter, as the stock is gapping down 24% to fresh new all-time lows. This company is in such deep. This is one of the worst earnings reports that I've seen. So they were expected to lose 8 cents a share they lost 24 cents a share. That is 3 times what they were supposed to lose. 24 cents a share versus 8 cents. Their sales were a huge miss. They were expected to generate 169 million. They only did 157 million. But here's the worst part. They were expected to guide for Q4 sales of 185 million. They guided for Q4 125 to 145 million dollars. That is absolutely disgusting. That is one of the biggest revenue misses for forward-looking expectations that I have seen so far in this entire earnings season. That is such a bad guide, and the stock is gapping down to new all-time lows. It's down 24%. This stock was once $400. It is at $14. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow, Sherry, thank you for that. Sherry says FTX is now worth 991 million, down from 16 billion yesterday. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. All right, guys. All right, so that's what just happened with some of those earnings that just came out there. What I'd like to do here real quick is I would like to see who is on the live stream that is still not a member of True Trading Group. If you guys are not a member of TTG, I want you to type the letters TTG in chat right now. Type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Just type TTG if you are not a member of TTG. We've got Silver Eagle, Joe F., Johnny Hernandez, Parker Abel, James G. Diddy, SD. A lot of new faces here that are not members. Caleb, Catalan. What's up, John? Robert. Oh, nice, John. Yeah, that's gonna be a big win for you tomorrow. John's in puts for UPST. That's gonna be a big win. P. Chari. What's up, Save A? Do you provide a watch list for tomorrow? When do morning video sessions start? Yes. So Hal, yes, we do. So every morning you get a watch list. We publish it on the dashboard, and the chat room opens at 7:30 a.m. Eastern. So Hal, the chat room opens at 7:30 a.m. Eastern. And then the different moderators come on throughout the morning session, give you their watch list, the stocks you're looking at, and then the markets open at 9:30, and we're all sharing our screen, and we're talking to you on the mic, and we go over all of our trades with you guys. So for those of you that are not members of True Trading Group, I want to make sure you guys all do understand about the opportunity here today with our Black Friday sale that we did just launch. I still want to cover with you guys the 75% gain on the NVIDIA trade from yesterday into today, and the 130% gain on the Tesla short from yesterday into today. So I still want to cover that with you and go over my expectations for CPI. But first, I want to make sure that everyone that's typing TTG, I want to make sure you guys understand, go to TTGoffer.com. It's our Black Friday sale. Enter the code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop to $1,000. If you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. We got 6 of them left. All right. You got 6 of them left. You'll see it in your checkout cart. That's how you know you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address. You're going to welcome email with instructions how to claim that laptop after you join, and you get a double your money back guarantee. Don't forget that. Anyone that joins TTG, if you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group and are still unable to make the $1,000 membership fee back at least once during your membership, I'll give you back $2,000. I'll give you back $2,000 if you cannot make back that $1,000 membership fee at least once during your membership. That's the deal. Now, I don't think you're going to need it because we've only had to give a refund to 2.6% of our users, and 78% of our members renew their membership. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with about 1,800 reviews. So based on that, I can very confidently say that TGD has worked with thousands of people. You put forth some effort. I think it could work for you as well. And I'll back it up with a double your money back guarantee for peace of mind. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121, click apply code. You'll get the 54% discount, and you'll get the free laptop as well. You get our entire access to our platform, all of our courses, the Benzinga newsfeed, Colt Media's Level 2, Trading Views Premium Charts, ETNA Simulator, the Trade Idea Scanner, our own proprietary scanner, the chat room, the mobile app, all of our live workshops. Okay. Dark pool data, analyst ratings. All of this stuff is included with your membership, guys. Caleb says, do you guys still offer the trial for the week? Caleb, we still offer it, but not if you've already used the trial, which you already did, which is why you can't join the trial again. You can't just keep joining the trial at your trading group and trade with us for a week for $3. So you've already done the trial. That's why you cannot sign up for the trial again, because you've already done it, right? We're not silly. I mean, you can just keep joining the trial and then pay $12 a month to be in our chat room. That's not how it works. So that's why you can't rejoin, because you've already done the trial.
Why not, bro? That sounds like a scam to me.
So we're not, but if you have questions, Caleb, or if you're interested in the Black Friday sale, you can send us a text message to 786-505-4049. Caleb, if you want to, because that coupon code is not going to work for you if you used to be a trial. So if anyone that's on here used to be a trial, if you're currently a trial, or if you used to be an annual member and you want this Black Friday sale, send us a text message now to 786-505-4049, and we'll get you guys taken care of. We'll get you hooked up. All right. So again, folks, I would take advantage of that Black Friday sale as it is just launched here today. Like I said, the retail value on the top just under $300. All right. Nice, Jake. Jake goes, I started with the trial. I joined right after. Totally worth it. Yep. No problem, Caleb. Yep. Just send us a text message to that phone number at the bottom of the screen. We've got to welcome Rick. Rick, welcome to the family. Newest member. Guys, we're down to 5 laptops now. We are down to just 5. I'd hurry up. Go to teachtheoffer.com right now. We're going to run out of these laptops soon. Give them to somebody for Christmas. Give them to somebody for the holidays. Give it to your kid for the holidays. If your kid needs a new laptop, right? Or use it for work, use it, trade with, whatever. It's totally free. You don't have to enter your address. Okay, you'll get a welcome email after you join. There'll be instructions how to claim the laptop. After we run out of laptops, there's 5 left. After we run out of laptops, you will be getting a one-on-one mentor session with one of our moderators instead. This is our Black Friday sale, okay? So as long as you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. If you don't see a laptop in your checkout cart, then you'll be getting a one-on-one mentor session with one of our mods. That is the Black Friday sale that we have for you guys today. Take advantage of it right now. All right. Now I want to recap for you guys the big wins from today. NVIDIA, Tesla. I've got a couple of video clips that I want to share with you guys. These are some video clips from live streams that we held over the last couple of days where I went over. Listen, I always told you, if you guys are new to this channel, you want to subscribe, you want to turn on your notifications. You don't want to miss out on these live streams. Okay? Because
hold on, bro. It's not if you want to subscribe. Subscribe. We're at 97,800. Daddy wants his plaque. And Daddy's going to get his plaque.
Yeah, okay? I want 100,000 followers.
I want 100,000 followers from YouTube.
We're going to do a sick giveaway.
Yeah, the amount of giveaway that I am going to do at 100,000 is going to be dumb.
Yeah, when we get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, we're going to do a sick giveaway. Get ready for it.
Everyone on here, let me ask a question real quick. How many of you have been a TTG member for over a year? Type the number 1. If you've been a True Trading Group member for over a year, type the number 1. Jake, I already am your daddy, son. Wow, a lot of TTG members for over a year on this live stream while we do sales. Wonder why they're still here. Huh?
Yeah.
Guys, type true or false. True or false. When Mike and I, is it true or false that Mike and I gave away over $1 million in cash and electronics to members in the past? True or false? True, 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 true. Yep, it is true. Mike and I gave away over $1 million in cash and electronics on this live stream.
Yep.
When we get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go a little crazy. Daddy wants his plaque.
I mean, we're not giving away another $1 million.
It depends. Let's see. Dave Norby's on the stream. Dave Norby, I'm going to send you a text message right now. I need you to answer the text message. First, we got to welcome Parker, I believe. Wait, but maybe Parker is a renewal, so hang on. Got a lot of people renewing right now. There's like 800 people that are renewing between now and December. Nope, wow. It's a new person. Parker.
Parker, welcome. So that means we're down to 4 laptops now. Guys, I would hurry up. Open up a new web browser right now. Go to ttgoffer.com. Enter the code TTG121. Get yourself the free laptop. You don't have to enter your address. You'll get a welcome email when you join. There's going to be instructions there how to claim the laptop. But hurry up and grab one because we only got 4 of them left. As long as you see one in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. So everybody welcome Parker.
Dave Norby, answer your text message. I'm sending you a text message right now.
All right, guys, what I want to do now is I want to pull up some video clips from previous live streams so that we could go over and cover some of the trades from today. And I want to recap some of them for you guys because, I mean, just absolute monsters, right? Just absolute monsters. Let me just make sure that we have those video clips ready and available. Guess yes. Let's load them up. So what we're going to do here first, guys, is which one? All right. So here is a video clip from Friday. Now, I'm going to play a video clip here. I was live on Friday right here on this YouTube channel while the markets were open, was telling you guys exactly what the game plan was, exactly about the trade that I was about to make. And I told you ahead of time before it even happened on the live stream so you guys can fully be aware. Like I said, I always tell you guys, I give you guys my analysis, I give you guys my trade ideas. I tell you exactly what positions I'm in. And I want to go ahead. I want to play this video clip. It's a quick, like 2-minute clip from Friday's live stream. Okay, right here on this YouTube channel, we went live while the markets were open, and this is a video clip from there where we talk about our NVIDIA trade. Let's go ahead and play that clip.
I'm so sorry. 1 second. Before we play the clip, I want to address this comment. $1 million in tax write-offs. Oh, poor you. Daddy wants more tax write-offs. Hey, jackass. We couldn't.
Yeah, literally, jackass.
We could not write that off, actually. I have the taxes to prove it. They weren't donations, you dumbass. They were giveaways. You can't write that off. It was a marketing expense. You can only write off so much. And we went ahead and paid taxes on that.
What a jackass.
Yeah.
Like, so you're okay. So when you make a lot of money, you're an asshole for not giving it back. But when you do give it back, you're still an asshole because you write it off.
Now, if I were to come on here and say,
jackass.
Now, if I were to come on here and say, hey, I hope that Make-A-Wish has another thing because Daddy wants his tax write-off, that's a little bit different. You can call me out for being a POS, right? No problem. But this is a little bit different. Go on about your life. Have a nice day.
I love when stupid people show how stupid they are.
It is
Get
amazing.
off of our live stream. Literally.
No, I want him to stay.
No, just get off of our live stream. Go back about your miserable life, please.
He's got a cat photo, so that's cool. All right, here we go. You ready? Here's the clip.
Oh. Okay, here's the video clip from Friday night's live stream. And I'll tell you this, NVIDIA, it's on my list again. Okay, 142 is such a huge level for NVIDIA. I'm telling you this now. I want every single one of you to draw a line on your chart across 142. If this stock gets over 142 on Monday, I'm telling you now, at 4 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to come back on this live stream, and I'm going to tell you, boom, we crushed NVIDIA. We got long at 142.29, and we took profits up at 144, 145, and 146.5. And members that followed along on the option contract made 40% profit. That's what I tell you is going to happen. That's what I'm going to tell you on Monday. This stock gets over 142. I think it has more room to the upside. It could not crack it today, but it held in beautifully on a day when the market sold off very aggressively early in the day. This stock still held itself together, and it's still on my watch list to see if we can get through 142. That stock has more room. You look at the daily chart here, guys. This 142 level is a gap fill, right? There's your gap fill, and you guys can see very cleanly that this was a level of resistance, and then this was a level of resistance, and today it's still a level of resistance. But if you can get through this level, right, and then you see a candle that looks something like that, I think this has more upside, and you can see NVIDIA do something like this, get back up to 150 and really start testing that 100-day moving average, this purple line that you see on my screen. The reason why I love this 150, and I really think we're going to get this stock to 150 over the next couple of days. If the markets move higher, this is a name I'm going after long. 150, this 100-day moving average that you see here, this purple line on my screen, this is a huge level for this stock. Look back at the last couple of times that we tested the 100-day moving average. Look at that resistance there at this purple line. Are you kidding me? That is as clear of a resistance level as you can possibly see. Look at that resistance at that purple line, right? That's as clear of resistance as you can possibly see on a moving average. But what else is here? A gap fill. Look at that gap. So you see how this big gap down on September 1st? That's a huge gap down. I want to close that gap. And if NVIDIA can get over 142 next week, I'm going to try to be long and catch this price action and take you back up to 150. And there you have it. Now let's pull back up the charts. You saw me draw candles for you, okay? You saw me draw candles for you on that live stream. That was Friday. Look at what NVIDIA has done since Friday. The exact candles that I just drew for you on Friday. And in that live stream, I told you that you're going to see me come on Monday at 4 p.m. and tell you that members hit a 40% gain. Well, guess what? Yesterday on the live stream, literally, you can go back and watch it. I told you that we are long NVIDIA, and members had already locked in a 36% gain on call options for NVIDIA as the stock made a beautiful run yesterday. So we got long NVIDIA yesterday, and go back and watch the live stream from yesterday. But to save time, I wasn't going to play both video clips for you and kind of overkill it. There's the entry from yesterday. You can watch yesterday's live stream, and we took profits off going into the close, 36% gain on call options on NVIDIA. And I told you on yesterday's live stream, I am still holding because what you just saw from Friday's live, we're looking for that move up towards the 100-day moving average. Okay, we're looking for that up towards the 100-day moving average, and that's exactly what we did today. We held on to that position. I was holding about 25% of my position, and bang, you get the beautiful gap up today, and we took more profits off 147.25 right there off the open once markets opened up, and that gave you about a 75% gain on the members that were following this trade from call options. I was in the stock itself. We took more profits off the table there, and I'm actually still holding now a very small piece of this position. I'm in about 10 or 12% of my original position just to see if tomorrow I can get actually there to 150. So there's the trade from today on NVIDIA, from yesterday's entry. Today, 75% gain for members that were following along on the call options. Congratulations to all of my teaching members that capitalize on this trade. The other trade from today, this is the bigger one, Tesla. This was even a bigger mover. 130% gain on put options for Tesla. We shorted Tesla yesterday. We held it into today. The stock cratered and collapsed today as we expected yesterday. I told you guys I expect more downside from Tesla, so we're holding that stock short. That's exactly what happened today. This is a video clip from yesterday's live stream. Adam, let's go ahead and play that clip. This circle in red right up here is not one, not two, not three, but four. Four indicators, four signals telling you that this stock is going to go lower. What were they? You broke underneath the prior day's low, and now it's acting as resistance. Your VWAP indicator is also acting as resistance. That's number two. Your 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level also lines up at that exact same price point. So you have VWAP, 38.2 Fib, and the prior day's low all lining up at the exact same price. Then you add on top of that a bear flag setup, and we went ahead and we got short right in here. So we step in and we get short Tesla right inside of the bear flag, and then bang, we just break right out of the bear flag, and the stock just rolls over. And this was an absolute monster of a trade. So 50% gain on put options for members of the TTG fam. I'm still short a piece of this position. Now I took profits here. I took profits off here. And I also took profits off here. So we started cover on the Tesla trade. And now I'm still holding a piece of the position to see if we get a little more downside tomorrow. Tesla was very, very weak today. It did not participate at all in any of the upside move in the market today. Even in the afternoon rally, the markets actually rallied in the afternoon, and Tesla actually rolled over and just worked its way back down towards low. So still very, very weak. And if we can get underneath 197 tomorrow, I think you can see this really start to deteriorate a little bit lower. And I've still got a small piece of my position. The bulk is off. It's a big win. We locked it in. And now we're going to look to see if there's more downside there tomorrow. There you guys have it. Okay, so let's pull up the charts. And there you guys have it. There's a Tesla trade. So we shorted Tesla yesterday. Okay, we shorted Tesla yesterday right back in here. Okay, there was the Tesla short from yesterday. And like you saw in the video that we just went over, we took some covers, cover yesterday, taking profits off as we move lower. We held some into today, and then you get the massive collapse today. And we took final profits off the table right there at 188.88. Right there was our final take profit in the morning. And that gave you a 130% gain on the put option. Put option entry was around $6, out at around $14 for 130% gain. Just an absolute monster. Congratulations, my TTG fam. For those of you that were able to capitalize and make some money on these trades, this is why you got to subscribe to this channel. But this is why, more importantly, you've got to get in the chat room. If you guys were in the chat room, you would have gotten all of the notifications. You would have gotten all of the alerts when I was entering and exiting these trades. You would have gotten all of the market commentary because I tell you what I'm going to do before I do it. I come on the microphone and say, hey, guys, I'm going to short Tesla. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm expecting. This is my stop loss. I tell you what I'm doing before I do it. 9 other professional traders tell you what they're going to do before they do it. What are you still waiting for? What you have been doing has not been working. Stop trying to figure all of this out by yourself. I didn't lock myself in my mom's basement for 3 years and figure this out on my own. I was lucky and fortunate enough to get hired at a fund in New York City and was trained by professionals on Wall Street. Literally, our office was on William Street and Wall Street, right on the corner. That's where I learned how to do this. That's how I'm going to teach you how to do this. And I'm willing to back it up with a double your money back guarantee. Stop guessing. Stop following random strangers on Reddit. Start identifying high probability opportunities in this market like Tesla, like NVIDIA, and start making money from it. Now, I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just because you joined True Trading Group. You guys got to put in some work. You got to tell me, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend the study group. If you do those 3 things and you still can't make back the $1,000 membership fee tonight, it's our Black Friday sale. It's a 54% discount. If you can't make back $1,000 at least once during your membership, I'm going to give you back $2,000. That's a deal. I'm confident enough to do that because we've only had to refund 2.6% of our users, and 78% of our members renew their membership. So I have no problem offering you guys that. No one else is going to do that because they know I see the results. I see the results members have. I know I can offer you that. Other people can't. Ask yourself why. Why doesn't somebody else offer double your money back? Why? Because they'd go out of business because of the amount of refund requests that they would receive. I offer double our money back, and we only had to refund 2.6% of our users. That's the deal. I'll give you the platform, I'll give you the education, the tools, and the community to increase your chances of success. You have to make the decision. I can't make it for you. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com and enter the code TTG121 to get the discount and take advantage of our sale. And the next 4 people to do so will get themselves a brand new free laptop included with their membership. As long as you see the laptop, that's how you know you're getting one. So this concludes the educational part of the live stream. Okay? This concludes the educational part of the live stream. So if you're not interested in the membership at all, you can just sign off the live stream now. Make sure you subscribe though, smash the like button, come back tomorrow. I do these 6 days a week. But if you are interested in the platform and in the membership, I'll show you the platform now, all the courses and tools and everything you get access to. I'll show you what it actually looks like. All right? You just have to go to ttgoffer.com, guys. Enter the coupon code TTG121 to take advantage of the Black Friday sale. That's 54% off. Price drops to $1,000, and the next 4 people get a free laptop of value just under $300, totally for free. You don't have to enter your address. As long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know that you're going to be getting one. After we run out of laptops, you'll be getting a one-on-one mentor session with one of our moderators instead. You'll see it in the checkout cart. Whatever it says in the checkout cart, laptop or one-on-one, that's how you know what you're getting. Let me show you the platform and everything you're going to get access to. The chat room, where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades in real time. I'll tell you what we're going to do before we do it. Chat opens at 7:30 a.m. Eastern, stays open until the close. We're with you all day, every day. The mods aren't gone after an hour or two. We're there the whole day with you, trading, answering questions, giving you market commentary. All right? It's all there all day. Me and the mods and I, sorry. You also get the mobile app. Okay, the mobile app is something that will let you still be connected if you can't be in front of your computer. Now, this is important for people that have busy schedules and a full-time job, right? You guys can see the screen share, listen to the audio commentary, get the real-time push notifications when moderators enter or exit trades right on your phone. If you can listen to music at work, you can listen to chat, and you can get the real-time push notifications. That's how our 10,000 members, those that have a full-time job, that's how they're able to benefit from the platform. You get 2 private study groups when you join, a chance to talk to our mods and ask questions so we can speed up that learning curve. You also get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, live breaking up to the second news alerts directly inside a chat. If you went to Benzinga directly, it's going to cost you over $1,000. Why do that? You can get it by joining TTG and only pay $1,000 and get access to everything else that we have, which includes TradingView's premium charting software. That's about $600 if you go to TradingView directly. It's included with $1,000. The Trade Ideas scanner, that's another few $100 a year. That's included when you guys join our platform. That'll make sure you always focus on the best stocks during the day. ETNA's simulators. You can trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you're learning. Go to ETNA directly. It's going to cost you just under $1,000 for the year. It's included when you join TTG and pay the $1,000. You also get our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, stuff that would cost you hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars a year. It's included for the $1,000 membership when you join TTG. You get a trading journal that will track all your trades and break it down into the numbers and statistics so you can see what you're doing wrong. You get a social sentiment scanner that's going to go through Reddit, StockTwits, and Twitter and tell you which ticker symbols are being mentioned the most so you can stay ahead of the crowd. You get unlimited analyst ratings on any stock you're interested in so you can see exactly how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on any particular stock. What the short data is, if there's been insider buying or selling, it's all included. We publish a watch list every day where the mods tell you what we're looking at and how we plan on trading those stocks. And then you get all the courses. The courses are a simplified version of what I learned working at the fund in New York, and the other moderators in TTG have added and expanded on it. There are no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. You got to pay more for more courses. Every single course is included for that $1,000. Beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it. It's all there. Then there's also a video library that has over 400 hours of workshops that we've conducted covering a bunch of different topics. And you can attend all these live once you become a full-time member. Guys, it's time you invested in something real, a platform that can give you real education, give you access to thousands of dollars worth of tools that can help you make better decisions and increase your chances of success. But I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful just by joining True Trading Group. But I can guarantee you that if you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend the study group, and still don't make back $1,000 at least once during your membership, I'll give you back $2,000. Double what you paid. That's what I can guarantee you. You have to take advantage of what's in front of you. It's the best damn trading environment I've ever seen. Members are. Many of them are having the best years they've ever had, the best weeks, the best days, the best months. Many of them are not worried about what's going to happen next year because they know now a skill that they have been able to develop that can help them throughout any market environment. And that feeling of confidence and security is unlike any other. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop to $1,000. You see a laptop, you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address. You're going to welcome email with instructions how to claim the laptop. Once we run out of laptops, it'll say one-on-one mentor session in the checkout cart. That's how you know what you're getting. Go to ttgoffer.com right now. Enter that coupon code. If you have any questions or you're a previous trial or previous member and you want this offer, send a text message to 786-505-4049. Mike gave out an idea that I made about $400 on today. TTWO. Yep, that was a monster short. And Adam called out a rebound in the SPY that I made $250 on. That's what a small account. Benjamin, that's amazing. That's amazing. $650 day with a small account. That's incredible. Great job. Really great job. All right, folks. So that's it. Go to ttgoffer.com. Take advantage of the Black Friday sale. It has officially launched. And then you got CPI inflation data on the 10th. It's going to get crazy. I think that data, that piece, that information that's coming out on Thursday, it's going to be the most important piece of data that's come out all year. Where are you going to be when that data comes out? Fumbling around, trying to figure out what to do, scrambling on Reddit to see what Mambo Jam's Kitty Cat thinks about the CPI data? Or are you going to be following what 9 professional trading moderators and a team of 10,000 members from all over the world who have been ripping this market to shreds all year? Or are you going to be seeing what they're doing? I know where I'll be. I know where TTG members will be. Where will you? Where will you be? That is the question. Where will you be physically? Where will you be financially? That question is up to no one other than yourself. Get your butts in chat. Go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. I'll see you guys in chat. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Smash that like button.